fragile, with delicate bones of glass. You would not be so tired of holding me up. Maybe if I were smarter, if I had won more awards when I was a child, my opinions would not be regarded as interruptions. I'll soak in silence, nursing chronic self-inflicted wounds, the hypochondriac king. Then the sun rises, the morning comes a little bit too soon. Another busy day of saying all the wrong things, kicking rocks. I go along, singing off key in the song that my mother wove into my lungs. I've got dreams beyond my reach, try to climb towards them, but each one is a ladder with no rungs. Maybe when I'm taller, when I'm stronger, these sparks will erupt into flames. Then you'll know me and feel all the fire in my heart. I'll soak in silence on the top of the pre-chorus, yes. I'll roar like thunder, see the courage coursing through my veins, leap from the highest of swings. Then the sun rises, the morning comes, whatever fear remains. I'll have a busy day of chasing after good things, kicking rocks. I go along, singing off key in the song that my mother wove into my lungs. I've got dreams beyond my reach, try to climb towards them, but each one is a ladder with no rungs. Still, I was born to overcome. Make peace with the tension. I'm a dog and I'm a legend. I am all and I am nothing that you need. Lay it all on the table, fight the beast while I am able. And I bet my pocket change that I'll succeed. Yeah, I bet my life will change when I succeed.